I'm grumpy. Oh no! Still feels like they're crawling on me. We don't care.
We don't want to know.
Surprise, surprise!
Surprise, surprise!
We will leave no survivors. Gorgeous scenery. We have ants. Good morning, everybody. It's in the 6 o'clock hour. I don't know who got up first. Probably Benny, but he's probably getting heckled by Daryl. You know that happens.
6:47.
Told ya. I'm exhausted still. Very, very tired this morning. My new bed tryout thing where the middle is like higher than the rest of the bed worked so well for my hips, but I think it maybe was distracting while I slept, so I don't know if that's what kept me up a little bit or not, but I was awake a good bit. So womp womp. The boys just had breakfast. Here's our morning view. There's a little bit of dew on the window, but it looks like it's going to be such a pretty day. So I will probably get the coffee maker down in just a second and make some coffee. And then we'll probably just sit and drink our coffee for a while. First sip of coffee. Good. Really? Or are you just kidding?
Really? We're gonna have to go get some invading today, probably.
Guys, something crazy has happened. We've seen 3 ants so far. We might have ants.
That'd be a nightmare. A nightmare.
Today when I organize the pantry, I'll use the stool and see if I see anything. I can't see the bottom of the pantry from down here. Way down here. So what's your plan, Han?
My plan is to order a kayak.
Oh yeah. Did you tell him that yesterday? I looked on the website and saw that they had kayak rentals, but it literally said you can rent the kayaks and here are the prices, and that's it. Like, it didn't say from where, it didn't say what time that they opened or closed. It didn't give you any more information besides you can do it and here's the price. So I put that on our schedule and did not do any more research. And yesterday we were looking more into it, and we were getting so confused because there wasn't a specific place to go, whatever. So I finally found some information, and then Hannah called the office and they were like, oh yeah, we definitely rent kayaks, but not on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And I had made this entire plan for this crazy week, and the only day that we were going to be able to do it would be Wednesday or today sometime, but that would have been like changing everyone's schedule, honestly. So Hannah decided, she looked around and decided that buying a tandem inflatable kayak would be better than switching around every single person's schedule this week. So she's gonna do that. We have a friend that has a single inflatable kayak, so our friend Taylor is gonna come up on Wednesday and use the single, and Hannah and I are gonna use the tandem, and then we're gonna get to kayak and keep our schedule. Yay! So I have to leave the camp today, probably around 5 or 6. And I'm gonna go by, as you said, it's Academy? Yeah. Which one? Oh, great. I'm gonna go by Academy on my way and pick it up for us. Hopefully it's not heavy. Even if it is, I probably can do it. I'm a little bit irritable because I didn't sleep well and I'm starving.
Yikes! You're so silly.
I feel like I'm not the silly one at the moment.
Definitely the silly one.
I feel like I'm not. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you're not the silly one
That
right
was
now.
me playing irritable. But anyway. Okay, I'm gonna go get dressed. Try not to be mean. We have ants. Like lots of them.
And not the humankind.
What? What does that mean?
Like my mother's sister is my aunt.
Oh.
We have ants.
I was like,
Lots of them.
what kind of scary movie are you talking about? Yeah. So far, they mostly seem like they're in the bathroom. But.
And in the understorage. There's like
And in the understorage.
hundreds.
Well, I bet where we're parking the camper is anti-climactic.
Hey, leave it.
Oh. Anyway. Yay.
No.
I'm grumpy. Hannah's making the bacon. When it gets closer to being finished, I'm going to cook these 2 eggs for myself. She just went inside to grab a plate or 2. Hey. Hello. Bicycle boy. The boys had to go wait in the hallway. But our bacon's done. I'm about to...
Great.
Yeah, it really does. You did great. You can cook bacon. Just kidding. That was just a joke we made up this morning.
That I can cook bacon?
That you can't.
Okay.
I'm going to cook these eggs in a second. Here's my breakfast. Eggs are fantastic. Bacon's fantastic. Everything's fantastic except for the barking.
And the ants.
And the ants. Sigh. Pretty much the only reason I'm eating right now is because I'm so irritable that I know if I don't, then it's going to be even worse. The ants are stressing me out. The boys are stressing me out. Benny. And so if I don't eat, I'm going to be a nightmare. And that's just not fair. I had breakfast.
I sat here and moped.
We're gonna sit here and rest and find Zen, and then we're gonna deal with everything.
Chill out right there.
How long do you think this settling will last?
Not long.
Let's pray for 5 minutes.
All right, we're on the way to the store to get some ant stuff. The ants are all over the outside of Marlow's car.
A couple inside.
A couple inside. There's not any on my car, thankfully, yet. But I think they're coming from the trees because Marlow is parked under some trees and the camper is underneath some trees. So, stupid trees. Oxygen life givers.
Hannah went in the store. And we are all fine, right, Daryl? He's not sure. but we are. We've only seen a couple ants inside the car. Luckily, recently I spilled coffee all over my car. So I cleaned it out pretty good, pretty well. So there wasn't a lot of incentive, I guess. I think there's a dog in the car next to us, and I hope they don't see it. But it might just, oh yeah, it's a dog. I saw its ears move. Yikes. Anyway, this has been kind of like put a damper on the whole day so far. So as soon as we get to killing some ants, I think we'll all feel better.
Did you see what was in my bag?
No, do it. Show me. Oh my god!
I thought we needed to pick me up.
Yeah, we do.
2 of those and
Yay!
individually
I'm so
wrapped
excited.
because ants.
Yeah, that's better.
But yay!
I saw all the orange and I was like, man, she really overdid it on the ant killer. I was like, wow.
So
that's
I got 1 thing of spray and then a pack of 4 baits.
Okay, that should be good. Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise. Somebody's at the dog park again. So we're gonna pause here, have a snack to lift our mood, and hope that they leave in a timely fashion. But they look like they were playing, so
They
we'll
looked
see.
like they were having a lot of fun.
Yeah, they did. And Daryl was really upset about it.
Benny was too.
That's true. Sigh.
Benny said, I smelled that cheese ball.
No cheese balls for you. I said, Aunt Hannah's gonna give me one.
Absolutely not.
So we're back. I sprayed my car. There weren't too many, luckily. There were some on the roof, but I think I've killed most. What? Oh. Wow. They're like literally all along our hose.
That's how they're getting in the bathroom.
This trail up the side of the camper. Can you spray up that high?
I tried. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Hi, baby. Hi, dear. I was saying to Hannah, I wonder how long it's going to be before I don't feel like they're crawling all over me. Sigh. We will leave no survivors. Yeah, so
It's good.
we think maybe they're coming from this tree. Ish. Hi! Wow, their feathers look crazy. Oh, Lord. This is so pretty.
We'll be able to enjoy it all after this.
They've just decided to hang out. So we sprayed the whole campsite, the perimeter. We sprayed basically the perimeter of our camper, plus extra in some spots. And then I took the bottle inside and sprayed the entire bathroom because they were all over the toilet and the sink and the tub and all over the floor and the walls. I think maybe the ones that were crawling to the top of the camper were getting in through the skylight thing. So I sprayed the ceiling and the walls and the floors and then all other things in there. So still feels like they're crawling on me, but hopefully that'll get better. We found more ants, but it was just a couple and I think I killed them all. So I'm gonna organize our pantry, very, very luckily, it seems they didn't get to our food and they didn't get in our trash. Even though they've been crawling all around it, pretty sure it's safe. Which seems like a miracle.
Yeah, so like what were they in here?
Maybe they could smell it and they were looking for it.
Maybe it was like the water. Like, that makes sense. Because they were all on the hose and then coming in.
I don't know either. Hannah said maybe it was the water. We don't know. We don't care.
We don't want to know.
We just want it done. Okay, so I'm gonna set up the camera, maybe, and try to film me doing my favorite thing and see if that makes me feel any better. Ta-da! Ew. I got a whiff of it. I think I did a really good job this time.
Excuse me.
Yes.
It's not be empty. No. There.
Fire! We had a good bit of extra stuff in here this time, and I think I did a pretty good job.
Excellent job, Marlow.
Thanks. Hey guys, so I just spent a really long time wiping down everywhere where I sprayed bug spray in here. Got thousands and thousands of ants up, I believe.
Thousands and thousands.
I think so. Definitely more than
Definitely
1,000.
hundreds.
No, definitely more than 1,000. Hannah's cooking noodles. We're gonna make spaghetti today.
Yeah.
Can you see it? Okay.
You see it? Yes.
That's the update. Bye. We out here. We're making our lunch / dinner. I
Meal
don't
for
know.
the day.
Yeah, our meal for the day. Boys are being relatively good. Don't jinx it, Marlow. And then we've got this gorgeous scenery to look at.
You know, obviously we've had the ant problem, but this site is still worth it to me because of the view, because we've had an ant problem in this campground at other sites too. So it's not just this site specifically. There's a big ant problem at this campground apparently. So anyway, I'm still happy with this site is what I was trying to say.
Yeah, I think it's really nice.
Yeah.
The ant thing was unfortunate, but it could happen anywhere.
That's right.
Get a load of that.
It's delicious.
And nutritious. Kinda, I guess. It's lunchtime for the boys. Hey, boy. Mom, they're already eating.
I told them when we were outside.
It's my turn. Hey, everybody. We hung out for a little bit, and now we're walking to the dog park to see.
Third time's the charm.
Yeah. If we can't go this time, I might give up on it for this trip.
Okay.
Anyway, the boys seem really happy. They've been getting a good amount of rest. I know he's like on high alert, but he's happy.
Yeah.
So,
And
it's
he
been
pretty
nice.
much lives on high alert whenever we're not asleep.
Yeah. Guess what, guys?
Be free!
Woo! What? You guys, every time I try to get a video of you guys running into the field.
Daryl said he wants to play and Benny's just interested in that corner.
Benny doesn't like playing like that. Oh no.
What?
Someone took the water bowl.
Oh, rude.
And it's just a weird Tupperware now. Well, I guess maybe it stays cooler. Maybe they took it so that it would be not getting scorched in the sun.
Benny found a VALL.
And the shade.
Oh, there's a poop already.
Yay, good poop, Daryl. He said, finally, my favorite bathroom. You ready to play? You want to play? You do. Wait. Okay, ready? So it's around 4 o'clock right now. And it seems like the dog park is open, but this is also the hottest time of day. So that makes a lot of sense. Is Benny gonna go potty?
We're not picking up their dog's poop. And that's just rude.
Benny's gonna go potty too. Yay! Good catch, babes.
Hey, Daryl, leave it. Hey, leave it.
Uh-oh. Help. Thank you. Yay! Good catch. You're so cute. Oh, it's a cute baby.
Come on.
We are going to take a little jaunt down to the water.
Down to the water.
Down to the water we go. I didn't bring my water shoes. Silly me. Daryl, you like that lake water?
How come you wouldn't drink the clean faucet water?
Yeah, what? Maybe this water tastes like fish and they like that. You're like, it's like
Oh my gosh, Benny.
it's like a liquid. Benny's just sitting. Benny decided to sit in the water like it's a little hot tub. Daryl, you getting back out? Hey, Benny. Come on.
Good boy.
Come on. Let's go. This way.
Where's
Can you
that
come
so
up this way?
nice? Where's that
Come
so
this way.
nice?
Hey, come on.
Bill
Come up.
says he doesn't want to go.
Good job. Oh no. Did that cool you off really good? Did that cool you off?
Leave it.
See, I think Benny, with the right circumstances, could definitely be a water dog.
Yeah. I think Daryl could if we had a nice and controlled environment to teach him how to swim. Because he can't really swim.
Yeah, if we had a pool
Yeah.
with like a gradual,
Yeah.
like a little incline. I'm so happy you got so sopping wet right before we're gonna leave. It's gonna be a fun ride home.
I guess I'm just going to use my beach towel for Daryl because I didn't pack him one. I meant to.
Shaka, shaka, shaka.
What a good boy. He's so happy. He's so happy.
Oh, yay. I'm so happy that we got to go to the dog park.
Me too. What a fun walk that was.
I'm also really happy that even though the day started out on a pretty sour note, it's ending on a good one.
Yeah,
Like,
for sure.
yeah, I don't feel as like grumpy as I did this
Good.
morning.
Hallelujah.
um,
I'm sad that you're leaving.
I know I was about to say it, but I'm gonna miss you. All
Wah, wah, wah.
right, Benny and I are headed out. We're gonna take the trash, and then we're gonna go pick up the kayak. All right, Benny and I are here. We've done the check-in. Now we're just waiting. says it'll be out within 10 minutes. So we've got the kayak in tow, Benny and me. And now we're gonna head out. I'm gonna go dog sit. And, oh, I did not even film saying goodbye to Hannah at the campsite. I did say goodbye to her. I said goodbye to her and Daryl and told them I missed them and I'd see them tomorrow, which I will. Benny and I are gonna go spend the night and dog sit, and then he's gonna stay so that Hannah and I will be able to kayak on kayak day. So anyway, okay. Oh, I sure was in a bad mood this morning, but I'm feeling better now, and I think I'll feel better most of the days as long as the ants stay away. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.